In 2025's crowded online marketplace, launching a Shopify store is tough, but the secret to standing out isn't fancy code or huge ads. It's trust. Customers instantly judge your store's credibility by its look and feel. If your site seems unprofessional, they'll leave, fast. Your mission: create a clean, secure, and visually appealing store that feels reliable from the first click. You don't need to be a designer. Shopify's tools make it easy, if you focus on design. A hybrid store model is the best starting point. Look like a real brand but use dropshipping to test products with minimal risk. This approach builds trust and keeps your costs low. Clean design, clear navigation, and a strong brand mission are your foundation. Customers have endless choices. If your store feels amateurish, they'll move on. Build a brand people connect with, not just a product page. Start smart, look professional, and put the customer first. That's how you set yourself up for long-term e-commerce success. Your store's name is your first impression. Make it memorable, easy to spell, and brandable. Avoid generic names. Instead of quality dog leashes online, try something like Waggle or Paws and Path. Brainstorm words that fit your niche and values, then check if the .com domain is available. If your top choice is taken, add shop or get to the name. Secure your domain through Shopify or a registrar like Namecheap. Next, create a simple, professional logo. No need for expensive designers. Use free tools like Canva or Hatchful to design a clean logo with 1 or 2 brand colors. Keep it simple, clear font, simple icon, and versatile enough for your website and social media. Avoid cluttered designs. They look unprofessional and don't scale well. Consistency in your logo and colors builds brand recognition. You can always refine your logo later. For now, focus on clarity and trust. A thoughtful name and logo show customers you're serious. Your homepage is your digital storefront. Make those first seconds count. Start with a striking hero image or video and a headline that clearly states your value. Guide visitors to your best products with featured collections like best sellers or new arrivals. Use high-quality, consistent product images and clear pricing. Share a brief brand story or mission to build trust and connection. Add a photo of your team or founders for authenticity. Keep navigation simple. Clear menu links to shop, about, and contact. Include customer testimonials or press mentions for social proof. Add a call to action for newsletter signups or special offers. A clean, organized homepage keeps visitors engaged and ready to buy. Your product page is where sales happen. Make it count. Use multiple high-quality images, including lifestyle shots and plain backgrounds. Add a short video or GIF to show the product in action. Write a catchy headline and a benefit-focused description. Show how your product improves the customer's life. Use bullet points and bold text for key benefits. Add customer reviews and star ratings for instant trust. If you're new, offer discounts for early reviews. Make your Add to Cart button bold and visible. Add trust badges like secure checkout or free shipping. Clearly display price, shipping info, and product options. Combine visuals, benefits, and social proof for a page that converts. With your store ready, use smart tactics to boost sales. Upsell premium versions or cross-sell related products with Shopify apps. Create urgency with real limited-time offers or low-stock alerts. Never fake it. Use banners for free shipping or countdown timers for sales. After purchase, offer a one-time discount or invite customers to follow you on social media. The thank you page is a great spot for these offers. Keep customers engaged to turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. To recap, build trust with design, pick a strong name, create a simple logo, and structure your site for easy navigation and conversion. Use upsells and urgency to maximize revenue. Don't wait for perfection. Launch, learn, and improve. Start building your store today. Share your progress in the comments. We can't wait to see what you create.